Hello guys, welcome to my new channel, Deborah H's. So you can see what I'm doing there. You see, sorry if you are following me before I deleted my video. Please do well to subscribe to my new channel, Deborah H's. Okay, if you like what I do. So you can see what I'm doing. It's very simple. If you want to tie your bow tie with any type of material, so you can just do this. Like this material now is 2 yards, that is the length. So just focus your eyes and let's tie together. And if you are seeing me for the first time, do well to subscribe to my channel. Drop your comment if you like this gele, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this gele too. So till we meet again in my next video.